Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are doing great. Had a wonderful week. In this video I'm going to talk about saying no without guilty. No matter you are parents, someone's lover, student, this video is for everyone and this video gonna help everyone. Watch this video till the end. I'm going to share something powerful at the end of this video that can help you to determine people and your relationships. Actions and reactions tells everything about a person. If you believe and if you really know someone really loves you, tell him no sometime and see his actions and reactions. Your one-time no can help you to know and grow. Saying no is a kind of protection. Your one-time no can save you from lifetime regret. We have a lot of opportunities in our life and we are not ready for one. If we are saying yes to a lot of opportunities and a lot of people, it's gonna depress us and stress us. Be smart enough to differentiate between people and opportunities. Sometimes, if we are saying no to one thing, we are saying yes to a lot of things. We cannot grow in a toxic environment, but we can grow in a productive environment. Sometimes people believe that, oh, there was a time when I believed that. Saying no is a really critical and hard job, but not at all. Your one-time no can save you. Don't think about other people, opportunities, or events. Think about yourself. What can happen in return of your saying yes? Your one-time share can save and change somebody's life. This video is dedicated to boys and girls, especially to girls, to not be a victim of abusive and toxic relationships. If you really find this video helpful, you can also watch my other helpful videos on my YouTube channel. And see you in the next video. I wish and I pray you have a wonderful week ahead. See you in the next video. God bless you all.